Hi, this is Molly with Beast Marketers. Chris asked me to shoot you this quick little video just to go over a few tips and tricks that you can do. It's going to help bring in more business by utilizing your website and your Google business profile. Your website is really good looking, and I noticed that it goes really deep. You've got back pages for all kinds of services and all kinds of places. So overall, it's a really good looking site. The main thing is let's find what keywords you've got all throughout your content because that's how you show people what searches you want to be found for. So the keywords on your main page is the most important thing. So let's see how your site is performing. I went ahead and I put your information in a tool that I use called Ahrefs. Now this just shows me basic analytics of how your site's performing on the internet. So right now, this is your UR and your DR with Google. You're at a 31 and a 32, so it's looking pretty good. Anything 40 and above is considered an extremely strong site. Now, these numbers come from these 6,000 backlinks that are from 724 referring domains. So this is anytime your website is listed at another site that's pointing direction back to you. However, not all referring domains are created the same. Some are very spammy and some are authoritative. You want to go after the ones that have that authority and are relative to your niche. Right now, only 492 of these sites are really serving you. The other ones, the other, I don't know, 230, almost 30, are not pointing direction back to you. They're what you call, they're no follows. So you're getting 2.7 thousand keywords that you're ranking for, which is bringing 1.2 thousand hits to your site, but that's across all the locations. So we really want to see what keywords you're ranking for. When we look at keywords, there's two different types. There is branded or national or local buyer intent. The ones that we really care about are the local buyer intent ones, meaning somebody in your area has searched for this service and they're ready to hire somebody. So, like United Brand Plumbing, Heating, Air, and Electric, that obviously is your branded site. So, we expect you to rank #1 for that. Hot Light Switch Hot. These are informational. This is searched 400 times a month across the entire internet. So, it's not really something that's bringing in money. So, I want to find something that has got um, let's see. So like this, Escondido electrician that searched 300 times a month, but you're only getting 11 of those clicks because you're ranked 8. So you're down on the bottom of the first page. Let's see. Um, Encinitas heating repair that searched 300 times. You're getting only 11 out of that 300. Laguna Beach electricians that searched 150 times. We want to find some high volume searches. So these are really the only keywords that you're ranking for. And considering all the places that you service, you want to be ranking for way more than that. Like carrier serial number year, that's not really helpful. So let's take a look. So I went ahead and I decided to search HVAC repair since I saw that was one of the things that you do, San Diego. So what's pulling up is this first thing is called the Google Maps area. So this is where your Google Business Profile really comes into play. You want to do whatever you can to come in the top 3 of the Google Maps area. And the reason why is because when people search this, 30 to 40% of people stop and click on one of these sites right here. So you're going to get a huge amount of traffic if you can rank in this. And that's where all your back pages come into play. You want those back pages ranking in every city, every neighborhood, everywhere that you service, you want to be in the top 3. Now, ways that you can do that is #1, when you're filling out your Google Business Profile, make sure that you have one filled out for every location and that you have got the about section down on the bottom fully utilized, fully filled out. You want that optimized with all those keywords in there. Also, you should be posting branded or geotagged photos to your Google Business Profile weekly. That's extremely important. You also want to be responding to every one of your Google reviews. Most business owners don't know that they're supposed to be doing that. And then the most important thing is citations. So a citation is anywhere where your business name, address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. You want those listed in various directories such as Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. There are thousands of directories out there. Google is a huge popularity contest, so you need to go out and get those citations, give your information to as many places as possible. The idea is that all this is going to begin to add up, and that's going to create your online presence, which is going to help you be seen by not only those who are looking for you, but help you be recognized by Google as well. So, this air conditioning repair, the top competitor that comes up is Bill Howe. And we click on his site, and it's a decent looking site. But the most important thing is the analytics. Why is he performing the way he is? So let's take a look. He has got 10,000 backlinks coming from 1.5 thousand referring domains. He's ranking for 8.9 thousand keywords and bringing in 10,000 clicks a month to his site. So the thing with these referring domains, you want to go in, find what referring domains that your competitor is at, and not only match that, but you want to outlist them by at least 100 referring domains. So let's see, for this particular page, we want to know what keywords is he ranking for. So let's take a look at these keywords. So this page, the keywords that this page, because every page's got to have their own keywords. Air conditioning repair San Diego, that is searched 350 times. He's getting over 10% of, almost 10% of those because he's ranked in position 4. Air conditioning repair San Diego 300 times. He's getting 30 of those clicks. HVAC San Diego, that's searched 500 times. Okay, so we want to go after these high volume searches. So as you can see, he's made sure that all of his back pages are ranking up in the top 5, top 6 as much as he can. And so that's what you want to do with all those back pages that you have. Make sure that you have those listed. And the way you do that is by finding your competitors and not only matching what they're doing, the backlinks they have, the referring domains they have, and the keywords, but beat that by several hundred. So I hope that you found this video to be beneficial. Again, it's just a great way to utilize your website and your Google business profile. It's going to help you grow and bring in more customers. We really look forward to hearing your feedback, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much.